Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a fusion recipe of Jalebi Cupcakes using Gits Jalebi mix. So let's get started. Heat a kadhai and add 300 grams sugar, 1 cup water. So first step is to prepare sugar syrup for the jalebis. Mix till the sugar dissolves and after that add a few strands of saffron. Saffron would add a very nice flavor to your jalebi. Keep stirring and cooking the sugar syrup for around 5 to 6 minutes. We need a sugar syrup that is slightly thick but does not form any string. It's very important to not overcook the sugar syrup. You may add a few drops of lemon juice and that would prevent crystallization of the sugar. So you may add that, it won't affect the taste. So look at the consistency, it's not forming any string. To make the jalebis, I am using 100 gram jalebi mix from Gits. Gits Jalebi mix does not contain any artificial colors and flavors. This mix is made up of high quality ingredients and comes with a free jalebi maker. With a packet of 75 rupees, you can make 25 jalebis at home while maintaining hygiene. So first step is to transfer the content of the packet to a bowl. This is a 100 gram packet. Add half cup plus 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. It's important to get the right consistency of the batter, so first add half cup and then you can add 3 to 4 more tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. The batter is ready and you can see it has become nice and smooth. Now I'm going to transfer it to the jalebi maker which comes with the packet of Gits Jalebi mix. After filling the jalebi maker with the batter, place the main lid and remove the top lid, the smaller one. Heat some ghee or oil to fry the jalebis. Jalebis if made in ghee taste fantastic, but it's totally up to you whatever you want to fry the jalebis in. You can use ghee or you can use oil. Heat your oil or ghee at medium flame and once it becomes hot, lower the flame and then pipe the jalebis. And after piping, you can again switch the flame between low to medium. Instead of using a deep round kadhai or pan, try to use a pan which is flat the way I'm using. It would be very easy for you to pipe the jalebis. Fry till the jalebis become crispy and similarly fry rest of the jalebis. And after frying, you need to transfer them to the sugar syrup. I'll show you that part in some time. Flip the jalebis while frying so that they become crispy on both the sides. After frying, transfer the jalebis to the prepared sugar syrup and let them soak for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds or so, you can take out the jalebis and place all of them on a plate. You can enjoy these jalebis just like that, or if you want to make jalebi cupcakes, then stay tuned and watch the video. Look at the delicious small jalebi. By the way, I made small jalebis because I wanted to place these on my cupcakes, but you can make bigger jalebis if you want. These look fantastic. Now let's move to the next step and prepare cupcakes. To make the cupcakes, we need half cup milk. This is at room temperature. To the milk, add 1 teaspoon vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, or you can add lemon juice, and let this mixture sit for 10 minutes. So mix it first and then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you would notice that the milk would slightly curdle, and this is exactly what we are looking for. Next, add 1 tablespoon milk powder. This will enhance the taste of your cupcakes and would make it taste rich. Then add half cup powdered sugar. Half teaspoon vanilla essence. Yes, vanilla would be a great combination with jalebi. 3 tablespoon oil. Use any flavorless oil. Do not use mustard, peanut or extra virgin olive oil. Give it all a good mix. Now sift together 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, that is maida, half teaspoon baking powder and 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Take your 1/4 teaspoon measure and take half of it. It's very easy to measure 1/8 teaspoon. Gently mix using your whisk. I like to mix my cake batter first with a whisk and later with a spatula. Here I've got some jalebi pieces, so you need to break some jalebis into small pieces. So this is approximately 1/4 cup. You may add a little more if you want. After adding the jalebis, gently fold using a spatula and also scrape the sides of your bowl. With this amount of batter, you can make 10 small cupcakes. If you have an ice cream scoop, use that to transfer the batter to your cupcake molds. If you do not have an ice cream scoop, you can use your regular spoon. I am filling these halfway through, otherwise the batter would overflow from the cupcake liners or molds. So it's very important that you do not overfill your cupcake molds. If you want to bake these in your kadhai or pressure cooker, you can see the instructions given on the screen. And look at this one, there's very less batter in this one, but I'm going ahead with it. For OTG or convection, preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake your cupcakes for 12 to 15 minutes. So approximately after 12 minutes, you can take out your cupcakes, insert a skewer or a knife and see if the batter comes out clean. If the knife comes out clean, that means your cupcakes are done. If they aren't, then bake for a few more minutes. Over baking would lead to hard crust or hard cupcakes, so make sure you do not over bake them. The cupcakes are done, they are nice and soft, and now I'm going to let them cool down. And look at this one, this is the smallest one which had very less batter in it. Still I managed to get one cupcake out of it. Meanwhile, let's whip some cream. So here I've got cold whipping cream which is already sweetened, it's non-dairy, approximately half cup. You wouldn't need entire half cup, but it becomes a bit difficult to whip a very small amount of whipping cream. So whip your cream to stiff peaks. You may add a color if you want, but I'm going ahead with just plain white whipped cream. Choose your favorite nozzle and pipe on the cupcakes. Place the small coin-sized jalebis. I'm adding some slices of pistachios, but you can add your favorite dry fruit. With this recipe, you can make 10 small cupcakes. These are delicious. Vanilla and jalebi combination is great, and these cupcakes, though eggless, turn out super spongy and tasty. Look at the beautiful texture. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!